So here's Corey Porter today, and we're going to talk a little bit of a weld contest. Now, I'm a huge proponent of youth organizations in America, whether it's FFA or the SkillsUSA. I think those organizations are going to be a great starting point. Corey, what's your experience with SkillsUSA?
In high school, I competed in SkillsUSA. It was VICA then, Vocational Industrial Classes of America, and then FFA, Future Farmers of America. Competed against Fleming County. Yeah, I've competed in all of them.
So Corey, those competitions, what did they do for you? Did they help you prepare for the next step in your career?
Oh yes, 10-4. You know, life is a competition. I mean, if you view life that way, I feel you're going to be more successful because you are competing with everybody in your field around you. You know, you're trying to be more or less top dog or number one. I mean, a lot of people don't look at it that way. I've always looked at it that way. You've got to compete. You know, you're only as good as the day you were before. You've got to compete with myself. You know, I push myself every day to be better.
Right. SkillsUSA on the national level and also here in Kentucky is judged according to the code book. So you're not going to find the word pretty and you're not going to find the word ugly or the word good in any code book that I'm aware of. When KWI has a welding contest like we do each spring, we're judged by that code book too. One thing that sets us apart is how we score that event. We're actually going to give you, instead of a weld contest, we're going to offer you a weld test. So it's a chance to come and compete against the best in America. Our contest is going to be judged according to the D11 code book, and if it passes that visual exam, then what are we going to do with it, Corey?
Well, we're going to lay out straps, we're going to cut them, and then we're going to destroy them.
All right, so you're telling me at the KWI contest, you don't decide who wins, the machine decide who wins?
Yes, we've got a heartbreaker over there, a bender.
Okay.
Well, I named her Heartbender because I named her Heartbreaker because she breaks hearts. And, you know, we've busted a lot of tests, a lot of good-looking tests. You know, pretty welds don't always bend.
That's right. So the youth organizations are going to be a good start. Remember, when you compete, it's not about winning or losing. It's about getting better at your skill. Some contests are going to be a beauty contest, but at KWI, when we have a contest, it's a visual contest according to the code book, and the machine decides who wins. So if you want to come to a school and compete that's going to offer you a chance to figure out what it's like on a real job, come to KWI.